What's the first thing a foreigner should do the moment they meet your parents? How strict are you? What gift would make your parents love him immediately?
I'll be the one to approach.
Oh?
They really have double standard when it comes to foreigners.
Let's say a foreigner is nervous. What advice would you give him to survive that first meeting? What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Isabelle and I'm 24.
Isabelle, what's the first thing a foreigner should do the moment they meet your parents?
I think the first thing they should do is to do the mano po. It's a cultural thing here in the Philippines that we do to pay respect to our elderlies. Sorry, yeah, elderlies.
Can we do the mano po? Let's say, since I'm the elder here, okay, let's do it.
Like
Okay. So you're just going to get the hand of the elder and press it gently on your forehead. Okay. That's very common here, right?
yes, that's very common.
Okay. And still, people are still practicing, Filipinos still practicing mano po.
Yes, they do.
Be honest, are Filipino parents naturally strict when it comes to foreign boyfriends?
I think nowadays generally it's okay because comparing to their time, not long ago naman, I think I would say they're more conservative during their time as compared to this generation.
How about your parents? Do you think if you have a foreign boyfriend, do you think your parents would be strict?
I think my parents wouldn't mind. Well, it will depends on the person that I would choose as my boyfriend.
Like,
Like if they pay respect to my parents and my family and to our like culture, I think it's fine with them.
so basically, if he is respectful, definitely your parents, they wouldn't be strict to him.
Yes, definitely.
If a foreigner shows up empty-handed, is that already a red flag?
I would say it's a red flag because my parents are not really materialistic, so yeah, I think they wouldn't mind.
How about you? Do you think the guy is a red flag?
Not really.
What gift would make your parents love him immediately?
Well, like I said, my parents are not really that materialistic, so I think for my mom, flowers will do, and for my dad, I don't know. I don't really know.
You don't know. How about some, let's say, liquor or maybe wine?
Probably yes. My dad would love liquors.
He drinks.
He does occasionally.
If your parents don't like him, would you still choose the foreigner?
Well, yes, because I do believe that my judgments are like I trust my judgment. So I'd still choose that person. Yeah.
Have you done that before?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, last question. Let's say a foreigner is nervous. What advice would you give him to survive that first meeting?
I would like I don't know if I would give any advice to him, but I would probably drag him to a like private area where I could talk to him and calm him down. Yeah.
Talk to him and what will you say?
I would probably say or I would tell him that it's okay, it's fine. Everything will be okay because I'm here. We're in this together. Yeah.
That's very sweet.
Thank you.
Do you think he wouldn't be nervous after you say that?
Well, I hope.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're 24?
Yeah.
Still studying? What are you studying, Beth?
Well, I study BSN or nursing here in USI.
What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Kathleen. I'm 20 years old.
Kathleen, what's the first thing a foreigner should do the moment they meet your parents?
Of course, if ever I were given a chance to have a boyfriend that is foreigners, of course, I will be teaching them our culture, the pagmano, and I will be also teaching them the values that the Filipino should have. So that would be the po and opo every time he says a word or talking with my parents.
Okay, sorry, I didn't get it because of the loud noises from the vehicles. The first thing that you said, Beth?
The pagmano.
Oh, pag mano po. Sorry. So, the same thing. Like this. You will grab, you will not grab, but you will ask their hand and then gently, yeah, put it on your forehead. Press it to your forehead. Okay, mano po. Traditional Filipino gesture of respect. And the use of po. You mentioned about po and opo. Okay. Be honest, are Filipino parents naturally strict when it comes to foreign boyfriends?
Well, I don't know many of parents, Filipino parents here, but as for my parents, they are very strict about the.
Foreigner boyfriend.
Yes, they are very strict about my boyfriend if it is a foreigner or a Filipino.
Why?
Um, I guess it is because of the parang culture gap, parang ganun. Yes, they are afraid if ever we have some things that we do not compromise.
Okay. Do you think the gentleman watching us right now would feel like there's, say, double standard when it comes to, meeting your parents or them being strict to, to your foreign boyfriend?
Of course, as I have mentioned, my parents are very strict, and if ever there are men that are watching this, they should have a double standard when it comes to the parents of Filipino women.
Why do you think so? Because of the cultural gap you mentioned?
Yes, the cultural gap, I guess.
So if it's a Filipino man, it's okay. There's no double standard, only for foreigners.
Yes, as for my parents, as for,
As you're for parents.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. But for other Filipino parents, you're not sure.
I am not sure, but to my um to my titas and titos, I have known them, and they really have double standard when it comes to foreigners.
Do you think it's unfair for them?
It does. It does really unfair because we all know that there are also some of the foreigners that are also kind and yeah, kind hearted and genuine.
If a foreigner shows up empty handed, is that already a red flag?
If a foreigner showed empty handed, if it depends on the situation. If he is into me or he genuinely loves me, then it doesn't really matter.
It's not a red flag.
Yes, it's not a red flag for me.
Okay. What gift would make your parents love him immediately?
Um, I don't know because my parents are not really materialistic. They, if ever they will be asked what gifts they would want from my foreigner boyfriend, that would be to love me unconditionally.
That's very lovely. Okay. If your parents don't like him, would you still choose the foreigner?
It depends on the situation because I really love my parents, but if ever my foreigner boyfriend does really fight our love for each other, then I would definitely side for him.
Let's say a foreigner is nervous. What advice would you give him to survive that first meeting?
All you need to do is to be respectful. That is one of the important traits that my parents are looking for a guy.
You're still studying, right?
Yes, I'm a college student.
Okay. Oh, what are you studying?
I am taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
What is your name and how old are you po?
I'm Annabelle and I'm 52 years old.
Ma'am Annabelle.
Yeah.
Okay, Ma'am Annabelle, what's the first thing a foreigner should do the moment they meet the parents of the Filipina?
Firstly, I would like to ask about his religion. Yeah, if he's related to, because we are an Iglesia ni Cristo, so he must supposed to be a member of the church.
Oh, so if you're an Iglesia de Cristo, like your religion is Iglesia de Cristo,
Yeah.
you should date someone who with, the same religion.
Yes.
You cannot date other religion.
No. We are very strict. Yeah, in choosing our with admirer. Yeah, because it's the first thing
How many daughters you had, ma'am?
to.
Two daughters. Okay. Ma'am, in maybe, yeah, I don't know if it's just the Catholic, they do the mano po. How about in your religion? Do you also do mano po?
Same. Yeah. Yes, the same.
So if the foreigner is going to meet you in the very first time, you also want him to do the mano po?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, other than the mano po and he should be the same religion as yours, what else, ma'am?
Respectful, and of course, gusto rin ng anak ko.
Respectful, like saying po and opo.
Yes.
Okay, and mom said that the daughter should like him as well. Okay. Next, ma'am, I want you to be very honest, Ma'am Annabelle. Okay, are Filipino parents naturally strict when it comes to foreign boyfriends?
Yes. Of course.
How strict are you?
Not much, pero kailangan, alam ko, pag lumalabas sila, or kaya yun ng anak ko na sinasabi niya sa akin, ganon.
Okay. So mom says not that strict, but she wants to know if they're going out, her daughter should let her know where are they.
Yes.
If a foreigner shows up empty-handed, is that already a red flag?
It's okay. As long as they have their own understanding.
So it doesn't matter if he's empty-handed or it doesn't matter.
It's okay.
As long as
As long as they have their, yung alam na nila.
they understand each other. Okay, next question, ma'am. What gift would make you love him immediately?
If he is a member of an Iglesia ni Cristo, and then yung hinahanap namin na gusto niya yung anak ko, tapos gusto rin siya ng anak ko.
Okay. If you are a member of Iglesia ni Cristo and if her daughter likes you or love you, the same thing, vice versa. Okay. Last question, ma'am. Let's say a foreigner is nervous. What advice would you give him to survive that first meeting?
I'll be the one to approach.
Oh, yeah, I love that. Mom seems like a very kind, mother. So you're the one who's gonna approach him.
Oh, yes.
Okay. What are you gonna tell him, ma'am?
Like, makikipagkwentuhan, ganon. Tapos yung mga, niya, yung plans nila.
So she's gonna talk to him and she's also gonna ask for his plans about her daughter and him. Okay. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. We really appreciate. I don't have any questions. You're welcome. I want to interview mom and sir, her husband, but sir is very shy. But thank you so much, ma'am. We really appreciate your honesty, ma'am. Thank you so much in your time. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you want extra video, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections